Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to move for the Play Store on your Android smartphone, and we are going to download application to transfer data. So let's tap on the search pool and type send anywhere. You can also take it from the quick list, and there's the app that we have downloaded, so let's do this. And in this time we can also make it on the iPhone 12 Pro, so enter App Store, tap on search pool, and also get the Send Anywhere app. Now just wait a little bit. Let's open this application on Android phone. Click right here to accept permissions, tap confirm, then continue, click allow. And right now we can open this app also on our iPhone 12 Pro. Here we have to also accept all of the permissions that pops on our screen. And right now, here we can, for example, select some photos. So here we got the screenshots. And I think that we can also go with this one and this one. And here we can also choose the videos, audio. You can also send apps, contacts, if you of course grant the permission. So we can try to send this one, and you can send other files if you want, but it's only example, so I'm going to stick with the 6 files. And right now we have to click send on our Android phone, and on our iPhone 12 Pro move to the receive at the bottom, click on the input key and input this key right here. So let's do this. Then click receive. Click OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So we sent 6 items from our Android phone to iPhone. And when we enter here for the photos, in the recents you can find the photos that we sent. And when we enter on the contacts, the contact that we sent is also here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!